So
Now I can see the side body of the trailer is good condition, curtain is good condition. I can see the straps mounted and secure, and they are tight. Load is secure. I can see that all my lights and indicators working fine. Chassis is in good condition, no damage, no cracks, no corrosion. I can see the turntable this side. Handle is in locking position. Plenty of grease, no bolt missing. There is no gap between skid plate and the turntable. Chassis, no bolt missing up there. Already done the parts, and I'm going under there and checking. I can see the jaws are locked. There is no gap, plenty of grease, no bolt missing. Now I'm gonna check back here. I can see the tips. It's good condition, no leakage. All these hoses are wiring connected properly. I can't see any damage. All my airbags, they're good condition. The brakes are good condition. Now just gonna check if there is any moisture. There is no moisture in the air tank. Chassis is in good condition. I can see the both lights and indicator working fine. Number plate is clear and visible. I can see the reflector signs are on. Mud guards, they mounted and secure, and mud flap is on. Now I can see the chassis of the trailer. It's good condition, no corrosion, no cracks, no rust. I'm going out. Now, handle is mounted and secure. Legs are up. They are good condition. Load is secure. Load is secure. Chassis is in good condition. Chassis really in good condition. No cracks, no rust. Lights working. Now come back here. I can see the back body of the trailer. Front trailer is good condition. Sun is on. I can see the clearance is good. I can see the airlines are electrical. They are connected properly. The caps are on. I can see the refrigerator unit mounted and secure. No damage. I can see the lights indicator working fine. This trailer. Now I can see body of this trailer is good condition. All the lights indicator working fine. Chassis, no cracks, no corrosion, no rust. Turntable, handle is locking position. Plenty of grease, no bolt missing. There is no gap between skid plate and the turntable. So then I do the mud guard. Check my mud guard and mud flap. They are mounted and secure. They're good condition. Now you can see all these tires. Outer wall of the tires, all of them is good condition. Rims, good condition. There is no visibly rocks between the holes. There is no bolt missing. I can see all the hubs. They are good condition, no leakage. Then I'm gonna check the pressure, threads, rocks. So I have my tools up there. इदा आप करके सारे इधर pressure, सारा का pressure check करना. इन्हें दोनों के बीच देखना rocks तो नहीं है कि thread legal check करना. ठीक है? Thread कितना है? legal है कि नहीं? फिर इधर pressure check करना, rocks check करने इन्हें, फिर इन्हें thread check करने. फिर आप इन्हें दी, both of them they have a reflectors on, so they are on right place. So I don't need to check the wheel nuts, but make sure I will check two nuts. इन्हें दो ही फिर nuts check करना. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
फिर इधर अंदर जाना, फिर same turntable देनी. तो सब तो पहला main important देखना भी jaws are locked है कि नहीं है नहीं. I can see the jaws are locked. There is no gap, plenty of grease. All the hoses wiring I can see the connected properly, and is good condition. I can see the deck tray is good condition. There is no loose item up there. Trailer chassis is good condition, mounted and secure. I can see from here inside. All the airbags looks good. All the airlines and electrical, no damage, no cracks up there. I can see all the brakes looks good to me. Now come back here, both the lights and indicator working fine. Number plate clear and visible. Number plate lights working. Do not vehicle overtake turning sign is on. All the reflector sign is on. Mud guard, mud flap is on. I can see the chassis. No cracks, no corrosion this side. I can't see any loose item up here. All the way up there, all the hoses wiring looks connected and secure to me. Now legs are up, handle is secure. I can see there is a turning, gas clearance is good, body looks good, lights working, diesel tank mounted and secure, steps are on, cap is secure, no leakage under diesel tank, spare wheel tire mounted and secured properly. Body is good, chassis is good, no cracks, no rust for that. I can see now same ही फिर हाँ टायर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है जी, तीन टायर कर देंगे.
ठीक है.
सेम ही जिदा ਟੌਪ ਟੂ ਬਾਟਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਥ੍ਰੈਡ ਰੌਕਸ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੈੱਕ
Outer.
ਕਰਕੇ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਫਿਰ ਆਊਟਰ ਵਾਲ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਥਾਰ ਰਿਮ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਲੈਣੇ
ਹਬਸ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਬਸ ਨੋ ਰੌਕਸ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਦ ਹੋਲਸ ਹੋਲਡ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਨੇ ਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਟ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਦੇਣੇ
ਜੀ
ਫਿਰ ਮਡ ਗਾਰਡ ਬੈਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਮਾਊਂਟ ਕੈਨ ਸਿਕਿਉਰ ਫਿਰ ਬੈਕ ਤੇ ਆ ਜਾਣਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ